Now, bottom line is either way, by hook or crook, Tiro is going to make sure that he gets someone, and that someone is going to pay the price that he was supposed to pay. It does not matter whether we like it or not. And somebody's going to pay for his deeds. Now, Umdala, I think he's just thinking the chickens are coming home to roost. Anywho, but basho futhi nangwa video yo review a scandal. I don't know why I'm doing this intro like this, but anyway, so Tiro had a time with ubabuake usemudi, and then like I'm sitting there I'm thinking, Babsemdi, lo mntana lo uyakufunza imfitshi namanga and everything else, and then you're just sitting there and thinking, he's probably onto something. That is why in the first place Umthunzi had a way with you and you never got to find out. Speaking of Umthunzi is back with a bang, and then he decided ukuthi uzohlala emfazini womuntu. Guys, Halidi Tabili, hey? Mthunzi, I think he is that kind of person. That he just keep on coming back. He will never ever give up in his life. And what is going to happen if it happens with Umthunzi? No madlo. Okay, I know that's wild, but I'm just thinking, what would happen if the both of them just decided to because no, okay, but it looks like Lomo, she wants to go back to the husband because now with all this whole thing, is feeling insecure. She's feeling like so now that Mdeni is looking, if we get back together, then probably Lumtana is gonna do well at school. So we're doing it for the sake of Bana. Like how slow can he get? This happened with Umthunzi. Now it's happening with him. Over and above the fact that Utiro now wants to take over the empire with this thing, he's a professional, but then says on the other hand, when Umdala becomes a liability to Ubudwake, then he's going to be the shoulder to cry on. Like, look, guy, he is so selfish to a point where he does not he does not care who gets hurt in the middle, as long as him gets what he wants, get out of court, and then asule ama when somebody else has to pay for that, and then he goes out scot-free. Considering the fact that Udino was never there in the first place, and nobody's talking about it, Udino was never Dino, he was just pretending to be who he was, and then and then he became the do they call them cabbage? Then now he's coming back. Instead of taking accountability, and no one is saying anything about it. Well, on the other more interesting news, I was so thrilled to go back through the memory lane of what has happened in the past 5,000 episodes. That was amazing. Truth be told, that for me was magnifique. I thought actually they were going to do maybe like a, those combined episode where, not combined episode, but the joint venture with the previous or the older characters coming into the storyline and doing like the visit of coming in and going out. But again, anyway, the surprise visitor that we heard about, it was Umthunzi coming back, and now he needs everybody else to assist him. And of course, because Mthunzi has always been Mthunzi, he's going to get away with murder again. If you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching my video. Please give me a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share where possible. Bye. Okay, I don't know why I'm screaming. Thank you so much for watching my video. Oh, guys, why is it so difficult to do a video and not make mistake? For me, I felt like it was so thrilling of this thing, no deal, because he is dangerous.